In the month of January 2026, the prelims heat is up. Now, what is the core important thing we need to know now to clear the UPSC prelims 2026? The core important thing is current affairs. Now, everyone thinks about the current affairs, reading the monthly magazines, and a compiled one will be sufficient. But that is not enough, as we see in the recent trends. Now, to help your preparation, India for IAS is coming out with the flagship initiative for the third year. We call it as the Recap 3.0. Now, as a part of this course, we will be covering the 15 months of current affairs, starting from January 2025 up till the April 2026, covering the topic-wise current affairs of the last 15 months, including the polity, the environment, the economy, science and technology, the IR part, the mapping, and miscellaneous, which includes the sports, the reports, etc. etc. Followed by this, we will be providing every week the handouts covering the 50 core important questions, the practice questions for the exam-like conditions. The third one, we will be connecting each and every topic from the comprehensive part of view, and this will be a one-stop solution for your UPSC CSC 2026. And this course will be on Saturdays, and this will be both in online as well as offline. And this will be a comprehensive and one-stop solution with respect to your UPSC CSC 2026 and to get the right answer in your examination. And what are you thinking about? Do join today and excel in your examination. Thank you.